Are you interested in trading in cryptocurrency? If yes, you've successfully clicked the right video. Here's a virtual assistant cyber to guide you through the world of cryptos. Don't rush while buying your cryptocurrencies. Wait for the price to drop to book the biggest profit in the future. Have patience till the price to reach its maximum before placing a sell order to get the best return on your investment. Cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Even a second can make a huge difference. So, keep a close eye on the market watch to make the best decision. Remember to engage yourself to market constantly to sell the cryptos when the rate is high for profitable returns. For more such information, you can visit our website PCEX Membering.